in test and tune and drags. But we are right now heading out to Benaraby Dragway for the Benaraby four-wheel drive drags. So I've been working on this, helping with the club so much to try and get this as a good event. Now, I think we've only got about 40 something cars nominated for now, but hey, it's not too late. Nominate, join up, get in there, have some fun. But all you need is a helmet, a motorbike helmet that's under 10 years old, and you can jump on. If your car's slower than 13 seconds, you can do it on a car license. You don't even need to buy an event racing license. So come on down, join us at the track. It's going to be one heck of a weekend. So test and tune starts at 10 a.m. Saturday morning, Saturday the 26th of July. Then I think at 12 or 1 we do qualifying, and then racing starts somewhere between 4 and 5 o'clock, depending on weather. Oh, I'm in 5th already. So over the last heap of weeks, I have had diff drama after diff drama after diff drama. So let's see if what I've done now is going to hold up this weekend. But it's going to be a few weeks before we catch up on videos. I'm sorry. We're way behind schedule. And I mean way behind. I've just been working on the car more than not, and I just haven't had time to edit. Pretty bad. Alright, don't forget, subscribe so you can watch all the catching up on what we're going to be doing very soon. Alright, thank you for watching.